Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell ebooks on Etsy. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open up any browser on our device and search for etsy.com in the search bar. As we can see, we are in the homepage of Etsy. From here, we need to open Shop Manager from the top right corner and then select the first option, Shop Preferences. Now we need to choose the country and the currency of our likings. After doing that, tap on Save and Continue. Now select Name Our Shop. As you can see, we have already named our shop. Now we will go to Stock Your Shop option, and from here we need to create a listing. Here select a photo from your gallery. And if you want, you can add a video as well. After that, we can see the listing details as well. From here, we need to put on the title as ebooks and fill up the necessary steps that are shown here. After that, scroll down and you will see the option inventory and pricing. And from here, you can set a price for your ebooks as well as the quantity. After that, scroll down and in the shipping section, here you have to provide all the shipping details that are required. After providing all the details, we just need to tap on Save and Continue from the bottom right corner. And our ebooks will be listed on Etsy for selling.